Hello friends, how are you? I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Lux and Fashion. So viewers, I am back again with most demanding and more stylish half-shaved undercut short bob haircuts and freestyle design ideas for beautiful and gorgeous women. Dear viewers, I always try to bring useful content and useful videos about women's latest and trendy fashion ideas. If you are liking my YouTube channel content, then please support me. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel, share my videos and like my videos. Don't forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my all upcoming videos. Dear viewers, in this video you will see very amazing and stylish half-shaved undercut short bob haircuts and hairstyles for any age woman. Older age women should must try these beautiful and stunning short haircuts to look younger, stylish, gorgeous and beautiful. If you are an office going woman, then you should must try these beautiful haircuts. These haircuts are very easy to style and very easy to manage. And if you are looking for a new and trendy hair color idea for your beautiful hairs, then this video will also help you a lot in choosing a stylish and trendy hair color for your beautiful hair. So viewers, take care and keep visiting my YouTube channel for more updates about women's latest and trendy fashion ideas.